Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So I hope you all are fine at home and keeping well. Till now, Rakhi was teaching you English second and all, and I was teaching English first. Now onwards, for third B students, I only will be teaching English first and second. I hope you can follow me as you are following in English first. So last class what Miss has completed? Lesson number 8 she has completed, isn't it? And I have given you PDF also. I hope you are completing. Please complete the PDF and check everything whatever you have written, and some are writing very badly, I can say. Handwriting is not at all good. So keep focus while writing and see spelling one by one, and you have to write down. Now today let us start our new lesson. What is our new lesson? Lesson number 9, 20 Froggies. So this word 20 Froggies means what is this poem? So in a 7th lesson you have seen one poem, the story of Flying Robot. And today one more poem we are going to see, that is a 20 Froggies. The name only is different. So here we can understand what is this 20 Froggies. This poem was written by George Copra. So this George Copra has written this poem. What we are having, that poem, poet, about the poet also we should know. Who has written this particular poem is, then you should able to say that George Copra. So here when we see 20 Froggies, let us go to the poem. 20 Froggies means what? That 20, about the 20 froggies are sitting together and something they have done together. And what they have done, why we are calling this 20 froggies, how the poet has written, everything we will go to the poem and see. First one you see, 20 froggies went to school. Oh my God, you see 20 froggies went to school. So the frogs also has a school. They all has gone to, this 20 froggies has went to school. Down beside a rushy pool. Down beside. Beside means what is the meaning? B-E-S-I-D. Beside. Beside means by the side you can say. By the side of. By the side of anything. Means beside me. Come and sit beside me. Means by the side of me. Clear to you? Beside means come and sit beside me, means you come and sit, means beside. Here I am sitting, you can sit beside me, means any side of that you can sit. So beside. So here rushy pool, beside, down beside the rushy pool. So one beautiful pool is there. So near that rushy pool. So that is very rush. Every time busy is near that rushy pool they sat. Down beside the rushy pool. 20 little coats of green. So what their uniform? The coat inside the everything is, that uniform is green color. Frogs when we see which color they will be? In a green. And 20 vestals all white and clean. On the top they have put one vestal. So that is a white color. And that is very neat and clean it seems. You see how well they are keeping their uniform. In the school when you come, within a half, after first break only, very dirty you will look. So but here the 20 froggies are very disciplined and very neat and tidy. They all have kept their uniform very neat and tidy. And they never, because that is a white one and very particular about that uniform, and coming to the school also. Every day they used to come to the school. Again I will repeat. You can repeat with me. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vestals all white and clean. So this is the 4 lines we have seen. What they said? 20 froggies they have gone to the school, and where the school is there? Beside the rushy pool. And what their uniform? The coats, everything is green, and vestals. The top they have wore. If you see in the picture, it will be, you can see their uniform. The vestal what they are, that is a white, and that also very clean. So next, we must be in time, said they. So within them, when they are going to the school, each other said, we should not be late, we have to reach on time. Before the time we should be. First we study, then we play. What a beautiful thought they have. First they want to study, then only they want to play. So they within themselves they are discussing, and they are having the discussion within them. First of all, we have to go to school on time, and after going to school, what first thing we have to do? First we have to study all the things. You people, you want to play, sit in the class, Mrs. teaching means immediately you open the things, and you will be disturbing others, and you also will be disturbed. So but this 20 progress, what a good ideas, good way they are thinking. First they want to study, then only we play. So when they complete their works, everything, then they go for play. That is how we keep the rule. So what they are telling, this is the way we have to have a rule. So first every time we have to complete all the homeworks, then only we should play. This is the way how we keep the rule. This type of rule should be there. Then we progress go to school. So now let us go to school together, they said. So what they are telling here, everybody, so 20 progress, first what are the rules they have? They have to study, then only they go and play. And first of all, they have to come on time. And they have to be disciplined. They should not disturb each other. And these all things they have to have a rule. As a rule they should have. So here this 8 lines till now I am teaching. Again I will repeat. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little pots of green, 20 vestal all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule. When we progress, go to school. When all the frogs are going to the school, that are the rules they have kept within themselves. So next they have reached the school. Then after that what happened? Master bullfrog, brave and strong. So bullfrog, so big one. In all the frogs, that is the bullfrog. So how he is brave? We are brave. Brave is what? Very serious, sincere, serious. He is very serious. He is very serious and strict. Strain means S-T-E-R. Strain means what? Very strict, we can say. Strict. So, brave means serious and strain means very strict. Thus, master in the class also, teachers, when you come to the school, they will be, we make jokes, we talk to you freely. But about the studies, when it comes, every teacher becomes very strict. Because we have to be strict. If we are friendly, talking, enjoying, dancing with you, will you listen to us? Never. So that's why we have to be, the master has to be very strict. So here also, Master Bullfrog, brave and strain, very strict, called his classes in their turn. So one by one he has to call them. One after one. Told them how to Novel Street. Means first he has called all the students, come and sit in your places. So when they all came, he said Noble Street. So here he is telling them to how to be. When you are going and teaching the different types, and these frogs, what kind of course they will be having? Do you have any idea? What kind of? How to leap and ride. So leap and ride means a long jump, and ride means jump downwards. The frogs jump from water to down, from water to outside, and again from the land to in the water they go. So all these things he was teaching. And not only this, more he has taught. That now we will be seeing in the next class. I am giving you homework as a till the first and second paragraph you have to learn. You have to learn and you have to make sure that you are learning, and you have to write the poem of 8 lines in your copy with the diagram. For the diagram they have given, with the help of this diagram you have to draw, and 8 lines of the poem should be in your copy. So again I will give you in PDF, but make sure, and we will be continuing the half of the poem in a next class. Thank you.